Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you the quickest way to make delicious fancy kenkey. As you can see, I've already, cut everything short. I have my mix here, the raw one and the cooked one. So let me just brief you a little bit. If you really want to make some home, just make sure the fresh one and the cooked one is equivalent. Okay, the same. And so what you do is make sure you cook this one, the one at the bowl I'm lifting, the cooked one, probably for like 30-40 minutes, depending how you want it. And then you mix together. Okay, so what are the things you need to put in place? Don't forget what I said earlier. Make sure the cooked one is equivalent to the fresh one. And don't forget to get your plantain ready. I have one right here. And before I will let you go, I will just link it in my, the channel. I have amazing ones in Etsy, so you can just click the link and go get some to make delicious fancy kenkey wherever you find yourself. So without wasting my time, let's get back to start. Here we are. You can see I separate everything. I just pick a little part for illustration. And basically I'm doing this to show you that you can find a beautiful leaf. I just separate mine. I clean like 3 times. You can also clean as much as you can to make sure it's really clean before you use it to wrap your kenkey. So this is purposely for demonstration. So let's get started how we're gonna mix it. So you can see I have the cooked one part, this part we mix it together, and then you make sure everything is mixed, All right, so you can see my dough right now is mixed perfectly. So let's quickly grab our leaf. You can see this one? When you wash it, it get a little bit bad. Let me get another one right here. Okay, I wash it. It's really clean, super clean. So you just start making your hole. If you really want to make it bigger, that's fine. If you make it medium, whatever ball you want, go ahead, do it. So I just want to add a little bit to it. And let's see how we're gonna wrap it. Wow, it just, it wrap it perfectly, no need. And if you are trying to, you can see right here, fancy kenkey is wrapping it up is a little bit different from the kenkey. So you do it this way, press it a little bit like this, it stay fine, stay perfectly fine. And then you turn the upper one and you turn it like this. Don't worry about the little, and that can come out, but you turn and do it that way, and you press that into a little bit. So you can see our kenkey. This is perfectly great. It did great. So you put it right here, and then let's do one more. So we have a leaf right here. Ooh, this is too much. So grab the second one. And here we go. And then we just do it. Wow, I like it. You don't need to stress on, getting the other side so hard to. And then you do the same on the other side, wrapping it up. And this is how it is. So you always have a little bit, we are trying with our leaf not to put too much, at least it's fine. You see, we did it. So for illustration, we have 2. It's fine for now. I just want to teach you how to wrap it, and then you continue with the breast. So in the future, if you really plan to make it your own after wrapping all together like this, you can just cook on crock pot if you have one with a medium heat, or you can just cook on non-stick pot or regular pot. So basically it depends on you if you can cook it for, some people cook for 3 hours, 4 hours. So whatever it works for you and how you want it to taste, just go ahead and do it. All right, so I recommend this, for wrapping your kinkies. The reason is I've tried the other ones. Sometimes you cook it and it just bursts and makes your kinky. So this one I've been trying it and it works great with it. So let's take, take two. And quickly lay it down this way. Right, it looks great. And then you place your, the kinky right there, and you go like that. And you roll. And there you are. Release the air inside. Make sure the air is released so it will not bubble up. And then you just go like that. Awesome. So here we are. Look carefully. And then you pick another one for the other one. So that's it. And you do the same for that one too. And make sure you release the air. Release the air. And then you roll it a little bit. So you can see it's all done. So we have how great it looks. So this is to encourage you, wherever you are, you can still enjoy delicious plantain cake, as you know, in Ghana. And so go for the leaf and then enjoy great plantain cake. And I would like you to leave a comment if you like the whole process, because I'm trying to cut everything short to help all of us. Have a wonderful day and don't forget to subscribe. See you again. Bye-bye.